Hello, everyone. Pastor Padron here, and today I have a tin of Steamworks, the latest small batch release from Cornell Diehl. This is its third time out. It's been a big hit in the past. If you haven't heard of Steamworks before, it is a Virginia Oriental Perique mix, and the whole point of Steamworks is that the Virginias are steamed to greater or lesser degrees. That steaming process brings out the sugars, which makes it very sweet. It includes Old Belt Red Virginias from 2019. That's just about 7 years. Heirloom Orientals from 2005. And St. James Perique. Let me read what it says on the tin here. Propelled by top-tier Old Belt Red Virginias, enhanced by two distinct steaming processes. This innovative small batch blend explores the deep, natural sweetness of flue-cured leaf alongside genuine St. James Perique and rare 2005 Black Sea Soakum and other vintage Oriental grades. A whole new world of flavor awaits discovery. I have really enjoyed this in the past. Let's open up this tin and see if it meets my expectations. And there you can see inside there the flakes. Whoops, dropped one. 5-second rule. It's very earthy, kind of molassesy. Maybe a little bit of plum too, raisin. Fig, that's the Perique I'm smelling. A little barnyard too. Okay, I pull out the flakes. They look like that. Very nice, very dark. The moisture content feels good. I'm going to take a couple of these flakes, fold them up like that. I'll put them into the pipe here, just like that. Shall we? Well, it's really got a nice deep sweetness to it. It is very earthy. It's got that piquant spice on the palate, some stone fruit, brown sugar notes. It's very smooth too. The retrohale is very nice. Light piquant spice to it. The finish is very long and rich and deep. It's almost a little bit, I'll describe it as kind of oily. I know that may sound gross, but it's just very thick and sits on the palate. No problems at all keeping it lit right out of the tin. Big plus. Now that I've been smoking it for a few minutes, I'm picking up the Orientals more, getting those floral notes, cedary notes, and a little bit of, we'll call it citrus, maybe from that, as well as the Perique spice. The Perique spice is ramping up on the palate and in the retrohale. Yeah, deep stone fruits, that molasses sweetness, that brown sugar sweetness, that raisiny, piquant spice, all melding together. And you've got those nice floral notes from the Orientals there that give it a little bit of zip, a little bit of brightness. It seems to me to be getting creamier too as I get down the bowl. Body-wise, I'm going to put this a little bit past medium, pushing toward medium plus. Strength-wise, it's a bit past medium as well. The further you smoke down the bowl, the more that piquant spice builds on your palate, and the finish just keeps kind of getting richer, deeper, and a little bit spicier. Never in an annoying way, but it's definitely there, that kind of raisiny, piquant spice that you often get from Perique blends. The further down the bowl you get, the spicier that retrohale becomes. Wow. I'm getting more earthy flavors now. The sweet molasses is still there, but it's gone down a few notches, and that earthiness that I was talking about at the beginning has become more to the forefront. All right, guys. Steamworks 2026 by Cornell Diehl. Very impressive. This is a blend that I look forward to each time they announce it's coming out. I am super excited about how it's smoking this time. I have not had to relight this in making this video. It is great right out of the tin. It's rich, it's smooth, it's creamy, it's very sweet, naturally so. It gets creamier as it goes, and along with that, the retrohale specifically gets spicier as it goes. There is spice on your palate as you get down through the bowl that does build up, but it's never anything that's really annoying. It's a very nice, pleasant spice. There's a lot more spice in the retrohale, though, like I said. This blend of Virginias and Orientals and Perique is very, very deep. It's very rich, medium plus in body, and maybe not quite that in strength, but very, very good. They made 12,000 tins of it this time around.
Hey.
We have a number of tins here at Twins. Very happy for that. And I'm looking forward to finishing this bowl as I start my day. It's going to go great with a cup of coffee. It'll go great with a bourbon, or scotch, a nice cocktail, maybe a Manhattan or a old fashioned. Oh, this could go with a lot of different things. I'm excited. Anyway, hope you guys have a great day. Hope you get to give this a try. If you like Virginia Oriental Perique blends, I definitely look into getting a tin of Steamworks this year. It was a very, very good release from Cornell Diehl. Congratulations, Jeremy. You did it again. This is Pastor Padron, and not just blowing smoke. Wishing you a great day, a blessed day, and I will talk to you again soon. Stay smoky, my friends.